Just right off the top of my head, here is a design that I have for an orbiting space station, at least. This large module here would have some ability to transport fuel and create thrust. This piece right here in the middle, and there would be a walkway here and here that connects these pieces so that people would be able to live and inhabit this portion. And then when the pieces are connected together, they would create an hexagonal structure, and then when pasted onto the outside of a sphere, they would look something like this. And the thrust in these little modules here, especially the outside, well, actually it would have to be an outside one here and an outside one here, could then spin this sphere and create artificial gravity.